Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angel and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're having a get it all done day. I have a list of things around the house that have been needing my attention, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, we're just going to take it one task at a time. So grab your favorite drink, put your sweatpants on and tie your hair back, and let's get started.
You'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you.
Before we jump in, let's take a moment for today's affirmation. I release the pressure to do it all perfectly and celebrate every bit of progress I make today. I hope that encourages you today. Whether you're tackling one chore or a whole list, every little bit counts. Now let's get it all done together.
Yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it. Can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too.
Today is one of those days where I looked around the house and realized there are a bunch of little things that need to be done. So we are cooking breakfast, washing curtains, cleaning out the fridge, dusting, doing laundry, and crossing as many things off the list as we can. If you're cleaning today too, I'd love for you to join me.
If you think that I'm a little bit too much for you, maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. A little bit too much. A little bit too much. A little bit too.
So for today's breakfast, we only have a few in the house today. I'm making waffles, scrambled eggs, and then smoked sausage for my youngest son.
Yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind. Yeah, spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much.
We're just going to pretend that didn't happen, except I left it in because that's just real life.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before.
So, what has been going on in you all's lives lately? My son had senior pictures last week and they came out so good. So, my youngest son will be a senior this year and I'm still trying to figure out where the time went. It feels like just yesterday he was starting kindergarten. So now I'm over here trying to figure out lunches. He has to eat gluten-free and I'm trying to come up with lunches that he'll actually eat and that are still cool enough for him to take to school. So if any of you have older kids or gluten-free lunch ideas, I'd love to hear them because I could definitely use some inspiration.
I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down.
Now, before we tackle the fridge, I have to give a little context. It's definitely seen better days. My son meal preps every week, and my daughter has been starting a baking business. So between all of their containers, ingredients, and everything else, our fridge fills up really quickly. But you know what? I actually won't complain about having too much food in this fridge, because in this economy, I thank God that we have food. So we actually been talking about getting a second fridge because we've completely outgrown this one. So if your fridge looks anything like mine today, just know you're definitely not alone.
Same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. Try to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. To get over you, I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God.
Can anyone else relate to this? I feel like we're a condiment family. We have a sauce for everything, and before I know it, half the fridge is taken up by condiments. Between that, my son's meal prep, leftovers, and my daughter's baking business, this fridge gets full very fast.
Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night and every I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You were the top that eclipsed the room. I was the one who arrived too soon. But no one would ever bet against us if they saw us exchanging glances. I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon we could run.
Well, friends, that's everything on today's list. I always love how much better our home feels after taking the time to work through a few tasks. And I hope this video gave you a little motivation to tackle your own to-do lists too. Remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. Every little bit of progress counts, and every task you complete is something to be proud of. If you enjoyed cleaning along with me today, I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and let me know down in the comments what's one thing that you were able to get done today. I love hearing from you and reading all of the comments. Thank you so much for spending part of this day with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something to remember.